Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video and I apologize for keeping you waiting so long. I'm asking you please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to also give a thumbs up to my video, and also to leave a comment below. So the proverb that we'll be looking at today is One Coco Full Basket. This proverb conveys a simple yet powerful message about the value of perseverance and the significance of patience in achieving one's goals. At first glance, this proverb may seem deceptively straightforward. One cocoa full basket literally translates to one cocoa at a time fills the basket. However, its depth lies, there are so many layers to this proverb. It serves as a guiding principle for navigating life's challenges, encouraging individuals to approach their aspirations with a measured and steady pace. The metaphor of filling a basket with cocoa reflects the idea of building success gradually through consistent effort and incremental progress. The proverb suggests that success, like a filled basket of cocoa, is achieved by accumulating small victories over time. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing and celebrating each small achievement on the path to a larger goal. One Coco Full Basket echoes the spirit of resilience and determination that has defined the Jamaican experience. And I know I've talked about the spirit of resilience and determination on almost all of the proverbs, and it seems as if it's a common theme that keeps recurring with all of these proverbs. And so it's reminding individuals that success is not always immediate, but is achieved through persistence and hard work. The message of the proverb extends beyond the individual to encompass communities and society as a whole. It encourages the collective effort that is required to build a prosperous and thriving community. Each contribution, no matter how small, plays a part in filling the communal basket with success. Furthermore, the proverb promotes a mindset of sustainability and resourcefulness. In a world often dominated by a desire for instant gratification, One Coco Full Basket advocates for a patient and sustainable approach to success. The slow and steady accumulation of cocoa in the basket becomes a metaphor for building a foundation that can withstand challenges and endures over time. It encourages individuals to focus on the journey rather than fixating solely on the destination. The proverb can be applied to various aspects of life as well. So it can apply to our personal lives, to work, and to personal development. In the realm of education, it encourages students to approach the value of consistent effort and continuous learning. Success in academics, much like filling a basket with cocoa, is often a result of sustained dedication and a commitment to the learning process. In the professional world, the wisdom of One Coco Full Basket is reflected in the concept of career development. Climbing the corporate ladder or achieving entrepreneurial success is rarely an overnight endeavor. Instead, it involves a series of small accomplishments, skills required, and lessons learned. The proverb serves as a reminder that every project completed, every skill mastered, and every obstacle overcome, it contributes to the gradual filling of the metaphorical career basket. On a personal level, the proverb offers guidance in the pursuit of self development and personal growth. It encourages individuals to embrace a patient and persistent approach to overcoming challenges and realizing their aspirations. Just as a basket is filled one cocoa at a time, personal development is an ongoing journey that requires dedication, resilience, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. The application of One Coco Full Basket can be seen in various fields, including sports, arts, and even the realm of environmental conservation. Athletes understand the importance of consistent training and the incremental process, acknowledging that success is built on a foundation of small improvements over time. Similarly, artists and creatives recognize the value of honing their craft gradually, with each piece contributing to their artistic journey. The metaphorical richness of the proverb extends to its visual imagery. The image of a basket gradually filling with cocoa is a vivid representation of the journey towards success. This visual metaphor makes the wisdom embedded in the proverb memorable and relatable. It becomes a mental image that individuals can carry with them, serving as a source of inspiration during challenging times. In conclusion, the Jamaican proverb One Coco Full Basket encapsulates a timeless wisdom that transcends cultural boundaries. Its message of patience, perseverance, and the value of incremental progress resonates across various aspects of life, from personal development to community building and beyond. By embracing the spirit of One Coco Full Basket, individuals are reminded that success is a journey, best achieved one step at a time, much like filling a basket with cocoa. Thanks again for watching this video. I ask that you please give a thumbs up to this video, to also subscribe to my channel, and to leave your comments below. Until next time, walk good.